Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, to another episode. Thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be something that I haven't done in a while, and I used to do and don't do anymore, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. Alright, so we're disconnected from the good old Diamond Sea gooseneck with this beautiful beast. So someone's coming right now, gonna hook up and we'll see you there, so stay tuned. Alright boys, time to let the cat out of the bag, at least one of them. So we got Sam here. Gonna grab his old trusty rig, not taking mine. Put this good stuff on the trailer.
Legal.
Yeah, all legal, everything's good to go.
The boss is watching, watch out.
Uh oh. So then we're gonna head out. Alright boys, doing a little pit stop, getting some waters. A good old cooler. Man, the weather is so freaking nice out here. You just want to stay outside all day long. Beautiful out here. So we are, what, a couple hours into Texas so far?
Matt's gonna buy that next abandoned factory.
Abandoned factory, demolition ranch, next purchase. Quick rebuild, flip.
Dude, this is what I think you do right here.
These pipe fences, man. These things are not so popular here in Texas. Miles and miles of fences. Alright, and just like that, we are at the hotel. We're about 1 hour away from our destination, so we're gonna already went in and checked in. We're gonna go, you know, do what we gotta do, and then we're gonna catch you guys tomorrow. So
I forgot, I totally had an extra coffee, mate. We could have had a coffee.
yeah, he wanted a coffee. So, but yeah, he's just ranting on about something.
Didn't even know about it.
Well, good morning everybody. So we woke up and I looked outside and I thought it's gonna be cold. Check this out. Come outside, it's the same temperature as the hotel, man. It's pretty interesting. So we're gonna warm up the truck real fast, go down to Mount Pleasant, possibly find a car wash to rinse off the trailer, and then head to Diamond Sea, I guess. So what you think?
I think that's a fine idea, son.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go home.
Yeah, then we're gonna go home. So
you mentioned how it's like a summer day out here, but it's
yeah, it's interesting. It's not even cold, you know. That's, you just expect it, and then you come out, it's like woo. So all right guys, you guys stay tuned. All right, we got the truck and trailer rinsed off, and check this out. Check who came by, man. This thing is sick. Ford Fummins. Thing is a 12 valve twin turbo, man. This thing is sick. It's kind of weird seeing a Ford body sounding like a Dodge. So this thing is nice. It's pretty awesome, man. Let's see one in person. We're gonna have him tow the trailer down to Diamond Sea. He wants to feel how it rides with that Gen Y hitch. You know, everybody got to try one of those. So, all right, we're gonna talk to him for a little bit more, and then we're gonna head down there. So, see you guys there. This is the most rare setup you'll see, man. Diamond Sea, 16 spread, big old 16K axles. This thing is legit, man. Big old winch, Fummins diesel. Awesomeness. are the smaller bumper pull and gooseneck trailers, tilt bed. So this trailer has power coat on it already. You can feel it, it's all hot. So this is inside the power coat section of the So you can see the trailers are all primered, ready to go for power coat. So this is where a lot of the finishing products come in. All the jacks, air ride suspension, all the lights. Man, these trailers go through a lot.
I can camera you.
Installing the lumber over here. A lot of trailers, boy. Axles. Check out this color. Sweet. Beautiful color. And so many options. Got this charcoal gray with sparkles in the sun, man. This thing is beautiful.
It's crazy using the smaller trailers all at the same time.
It's a little sticky. You can hear like the paint needing to be broken in.
That still seems a lot.
Beautiful ramps. Another thing I wanted to mention is check out how much room these trailers have, you know, the dump trailers versus some other ones out there. You know, once in a while you pull up to a job site, you see some damaged, bent rails, but these guys, man, these things are freaking serious, man. Alright guys, and there it is. Woo! This thing is sick. Look at this thing. The first thing you notice, big old square coupler. And then a sweet solar panel up there. This thing is beefy. 25,000 pound jacks. I added a few more options to it from my old trailer right here. Good old gray. So this trailer has a little more options on it. Well, not more options. Some of them I took off. Some stuff I added that, you know, I've seen like, yeah, I'm gonna need this, I'm gonna need that. So man, what an experience, you know. Really happy with Diamond C, man. They definitely go out of their way, you know, make a super nice product and stuff. Very nice people out here. So God bless this place. And then yeah, so I'm excited to put this thing to work. We're gonna hook it up. We got some barrels that he gave us from their business, which I'm gonna talk about a little bit later in future videos on maintenance on my trailer. So yeah, man, I don't know what to say. I'm just super excited. So I'm gonna put my camera away and hook up and we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, so we got hooked up, everything good to go. We had to do some changes on the coupler. You guys see it right there? It looks a little bit different. We'll talk about that a bit later. And yeah, so we're gonna hit the road.
Well, mate, why don't you go ahead and talk about that new coupler right now, mate?
Yeah, he wants to talk about the new coupler. We'll talk about that in some other video.
What are you talking about, mate? Just go ahead and tell them this brand new. They made it 5 minutes ago. And it's all patina look. Do you like the look of the patina, or should I eradicate it black?
Yeah, let me know. Let me know about that, guys. So, alright guys, we're gonna head out. We want to get to Amarillo today. It's about 7.5 hours. It's about 3 o'clock Central Time. So, yeah.
I mean, mate, did you say like...
Alright, boys. We are about, what, less than an hour away from New Mexico. We stopped by for the night at the Holiday Inn. Gonna grab us a couple hours of sleep. Wake up in the morning, keep going. So far so good. We are pretty impressed with the trailer. Thank you again, Diamond C, man. You guys are awesome, man. So, and we're gonna get some rest, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning, everybody. So we are in New Mexico. No, not New Mexico. We're about an hour away from New Mexico. And guess what? We woke up, and look at this. This looks like a freaking whatever you want to call it. Some thick ice, and the door handles are like almost frozen together. All this is ice, so you could like scratch it. Looks like some kind of a paint job or something. So it's cold. It looks like there was ice on the road last night, so I'm glad we pulled over. 27-degree cold start. Man, that's good. These things start up like a gas engine. So yeah, we're gonna clean off the windshield, and then we're gonna head out because we're supposed to get some snow up in Albuquerque. So we kind of timed it out so we don't have to hit it. So all right, guys, see ya. Quick trip update. So we've been driving all day. We are about 200 miles from California and Arizona. Man, look at this scenery. This place is beautiful. The sunsets, the snow. This place is looking all right. So we're gonna pull over probably in, let me see, 5 minutes, grab some dinner, and then we're gonna head down to California. Maybe, depends how we feel, do maybe an hour or two in California, and then take a hotel and go from there. All right, coming closer to California. Check out this sweet option.
Watch out, oh, he's still moving.
Look at that. Gas station. This thing is a must to have. You know, you're always just relaxed. You know, you look at your gauge, less than quarter tank, you don't got to worry about it. Just throw it in and keep going. So we're gonna go a little bit further. Gonna pull off at a truck stop, get some fuel, and that should last us all the way into California. So alright guys, good morning. We are on our final stretch already in California, in Mojave Desert. Definitely doesn't feel like a desert here right now. It's windy and cold, but everything's going good, man. It's good to be back in California. I mean, to finally come home. That's, I guess, the only thing that's good. But man, check out these wind turbines out there. Man, that is a lot of wind turbines. So we're gonna top off the truck, and then we're gonna keep going. So I'll catch you guys probably back in town. So we'll see ya. Alright boys, we are on highway.
Highway, we don't know.
That's the highway. This is a scale house. There you are. Peace.
Knock on wood, your heavenly father. Just keep an eye on the rear view, make sure you don't chase us down.
Look at them wind turbines. No wonder why it's so windy down here.
It's winter turbines. It's winter up there.
Winter turbines. So yeah, we just passed the scale. We got our not for hire stickers going. So don't try this at home. You go to professional drivers.
No. We're professional private drivers.
Exactly, professional private drivers. So still peeking in the rear view mirror, you know. But yeah. Alright, that pretty much sums it up, guys. So came back into town yesterday. Thank you, Sam, for the help. Really appreciate it. And thank you, Diamond C, for the tour. That was awesome, man. Seeing the detail that goes into building every single trailer and all the innovation that's going on, that is awesome. So, and nice meeting with you, Roland. I'm going to leave Roland's and Sam's YouTube channels in the description below, so check them out. Hope you guys liked this video. Like always, have a blessed day. Stay tuned for more.